All right, guys, 2025 is in full swing. There's a whole new world of YouTube niches blowing up without you ever needing to show your face. No makeup, no bad hair days, and no awkward on-camera moments.
There's barely any competition in these niches. Some of them are so fresh, you probably haven't even heard of them yet. The ideas 5 and 6 will blow your mind. Let's get into it.
Number 1, nature vlogs. If you thought vlogging meant filming yourself talking into a camera, think again. Nature vlogs are all about showing beautiful, peaceful shots of the world around us. And yeah, no face necessary.
And who doesn't want to look at pretty trees and sunsets while pretending they're outdoorsy from the comfort of their bed? You can shoot it all on your phone, add some calming background music, and bam, you're an eco-guru. It's so easy. Your grandma could do it while walking her dog.
Nature is trending. So grab your phone, shoot some slow-motion shots of leaves rustling, and throw in a soothing piano track. You'll be at 1 million subscribers faster than you can say Zen.
Next up, sports videos. And no, you don't need to be a pro athlete to crush it in this niche. You just need to capture the best, most exciting moments in sports and show them to the world. Everyone loves watching crazy trick shots, last-minute goals, or that one time a guy accidentally scored on his own team.
And don't forget the fails. People love watching epic sports fails. It's like a universal law. Laugh at someone's goof, subscribe to the channel. It's just how life works.
Take channels like Football Shorts or Short Sports X. They blew up with millions of subscribers just by sharing bite-sized sports clips. If you've ever screamed at your TV during a game, this could be the niche for you.
Number 3, text stories. Now this one might sound a bit strange, but it works. Think of it as storytelling for the modern age, except you don't need to talk at all. Just put up some text on the screen, add some spooky or dramatic music, and let the viewers read along like it's the world's most intense PowerPoint presentation.
I have an answer for what you are thinking now. Who's gonna watch that? But look at the channel Eric is Tired. They've got 640,000 subscribers, and all they do is post text stories. No voiceover, no fancy edits, just words, and people love it.
It's simple, people are busy. Maybe they're at work pretending to be productive while secretly reading a scary story on YouTube. With text stories, you can take them on a wild ride without even lifting a microphone. Super easy, no need to show your face, just pick a cool font and you're good to go.
4. Book series summaries. Calling all book lovers. If you can talk about books like they're your best friends, this niche is for you. All you have to do is cover trending book series stuff like Harry Potter, Percy Jackson, or whatever new fantasy epic ChatGPT spits out next.
The best part? You don't even have to read the books yourself if you don't want to. Just look at this prompt, give this to ChatGPT, and then summaries. Throw in some cool stock footage or animations and boom, you're the book expert on YouTube.
BookTube is growing like crazy, especially in the US. People love hearing about their favorite stories without having to crack open a 500-page novel. So, if you're ready to become the next literary superstar without ever stepping in front of the camera, this is your golden ticket.
Number 5, hidden places in gaming. Gaming is huge, but getting noticed in such a crowded space can feel impossible unless you've got a secret weapon. Enter hidden places in gaming.
This niche is all about finding secret locations in video games that no one else knows about. You don't even need to be the best player. You just need to explore, find those Easter eggs, and share them with the world. Mad Trevor is killing it in this niche.
I mean, who doesn't love discovering something hidden in their favorite game? It's like finding a cheat code for YouTube fame. If you're already spending hours gaming, you might as well turn it into a career, right?
Speaking of gaming, let's talk about idea number 6, gaming glitches. Every gamer knows the thrill of finding a game-breaking glitch, and that's where this niche comes in. You can start a channel dedicated to finding and showcasing the weirdest, funniest, and most mind-blowing glitches out there.
Look at the channel, Syrup. 744,000 subscribers just from showcasing glitches. Millions of views. All you need to do is find glitches, record them, and watch your subscriber count skyrocket.
Plus, who doesn't love seeing their favorite game absolutely freak out? It's hilarious, and people can't get enough. Glitch videos are about to go viral in 2025.
Number 7, horror stories. Okay, this one's for all you horror fans. Horror stories are a classic, and they never go out of style. In 2025, people are still going to be obsessed with spooky tales, and you don't even have to show your face to freak them out.
Exactly. Look at channels like Haunted House or SR Pay Stories. They've racked up thousands, sometimes millions of subscribers just by sharing creepy stories. Add in some spooky sound effects, maybe a dark background, and people will be hooked.
If you can find some good horror stories on the internet or even make up your own, this niche is a gold mine.
Number 8, AI history. Ready to sound like a genius without actually doing a ton of research? AI history is the next big thing. In this niche, you'll cover historical facts and events using AI to help you gather info. It's like being a history teacher, but way cooler.
For example, take the AI historian. Over 335,000 subscribers with just 22 videos. They're crushing it. History buffs love this stuff, and AI makes it easier than ever to create content.
If you like learning about the past but hate doing book reports, this niche is perfect. Just let AI do the work, and you get the subscribers.
9. Behind the scenes of movies. Do you love movies but can't afford the Hollywood life? No worries. In this niche, you'll make videos that investigate behind the scenes of blockbuster films. People love learning how their favorite movie magic happens.
And there's almost no competition. You'll be one of the first to really go into this niche, use movie clips, explain how they pulled off crazy stunts or special effects, and you're golden.
If you're a movie buff, this is basically the dream. No acting required, just pure movie magic.
Last but not least, let's talk about respect videos. This niche is blowing up, and it's the easiest one to start. No skills required.
You'll just compile videos of people being awesome, whether it's someone doing something heroic or just being nice. Throw it together, add some emotional music, and watch the views roll in.
Channels like Respect Boy 998 have millions of subscribers, and all they do is celebrate people's good deeds. It's wholesome, it's feel good, and honestly, who doesn't love a little positivity in their feed?
So there you have it. Tons of faceless YouTube ideas that are guaranteed to go viral in 2025.
Just pick a niche, get creative, and watch your subscriber count explode. Which niche are you going to try? Let us know in the comments.